Want to know how to reduce background noise in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do so easily. So let's get right into it. So first up, open Audacity and import any audio that you like. Now first up, you need to select the part of the track that only contains the background noise. So for me, let's say it's right here. Now go to Effects, go to Noise Removal and Repair, go to Noise Reduction and select Create Noise Profile. Once you've done that, double click to select the entire track. Now go to Effects again, go to Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction, and here you have it. You can now tweak the settings right here. And once you're done with that, just simply click OK. And according to that, your noise has been reduced. As you can see in the waveform as well, you can preview it by pressing spacebar. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.